So, this is how I look when I wake up, and this is how Kylie looks. So, most of my photos are full with filters. Like, sis, do something for your skin, for real now. Even my potato version is better than the real me. Also, we all wasted 3 months of quarantine in online shopping. And now, we're all broke. So, DIYs to the rescue! So first, we're gonna start with DIY cleanser for dry and sensitive skin. For this, you're gonna need oats. It contains saponins, which are natural cleanser. Take some oats in your hands and eat them. And add some drops of water, squeeze them and apply it in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, I also have something for oily skin. Gram flour, aka besan. If you don't have rice flour, you can actually substitute it with yogurt. Yes, you can use besan plus yogurt or dahi, and it works so fine. Rice plays a great role in Korean skincare routines, and you know those Korean girls still have that baby face. What am I even saying, bro? Am I broken or what? And am I sunny? Like I'm saying bro.
ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ bro ਅਸੀਂ jealous ਹਾਂ bro ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਸੋਂ jealous ਹਾਂ bro ਪਿਛਲੇ ਹਫਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਸੀ bro
Oh, so cringy. So this is one way of making rice water. Just give it a try. It's actually anti-aging. And it can also be used as a toner. Basically, you just have to boil some rice. It's zero waste. You can eat this rice later on. Transfer the rice water in an airtight container like this, or you can also use a spray bottle, which is more convenient and won't spill, please. And now comes the face mask, and please enjoy the music. I love this.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the...
Now I have 3 natural moisturizers for you guys. The first one is jojoba oil. If you're a fan of oils, you can use this. It is very similar to your own skin oils and it's lightweighted. Now almond oil is for very dry skin. You can use this at night. And my personal favorite is aloe vera gels in summers. They're super light. By the way, raw aloe vera doesn't work for me. I don't know why though. Thank you for listening to my buck. Till then, live, love, lazy.